Can you repost someone else's story on Instagram without being tagged? Hi everyone, this is Kate here. Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see if we can repost someone else's story on Instagram without being tagged. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you open up someone's story where you are not being tagged, and if you're wondering if you could share this in your story, tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner. And if you scroll down or if you swipe through it, you will not find any option to share it in your story. That means reposting someone else's Instagram story without being tagged is not directly supported by Instagram, as the add to your story features only appears when you are tagged in that story. However, in order to reshare it, if you have a proper credit or permissions, you could reshare it by taking a screenshot or screen recording if you have the permission of that user. So ask for the permissions for the original poster to repost your story, and once you have viewed their story, you can take a screenshot for the photo, or if that is a video, you could screen record it. Now once you have screenshot that story, tap on add story at the top left corner. Then you can add the screenshotted image or the screen recorded video, and you could also tag the original user or mention them. Then post that in your story. So that will be the efficient way to reshare someone else's story on Instagram without being tagged. And that's it. Hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.